Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. and my beloved parent. My name is Misha Zahira Azalia. I'm from class 4 ICP7 and my attendance number is 22. Now I will convey my project class about scientific paper with title Learn to be Democratic Through Simultaneous Election. First, I will tell you about the background of problem. Indonesia will hold simultaneous election on February 14, 2024. In the simultaneous election, there are 5 papers containing small picture, small name, too many, and large paper. So the elderly have difficulty on seeing or reading and folding the paper. So the simultaneous election wasn't carried out by secret because the elderly asked for help from the officers to fold. Because there was too much paper, KPPS officers were tired of counting. Some KPPS officers even passed away because they were tired of counting. This happened because KPPS officers were only given 1 or 2 days to count, causing KPPS officers come home late and exhausted. So the 2024 election is almost same as the beginning of the independence, which followed the parliamentary or liberal democracy because it gives every citizen freedom to choose the president, vice president, and member of legislative. So people often mocking and elbowing each other between parties and their own member. Then I will tell you about the research question. 1. How to carry out simultaneous elections that are overflowing and fair. 2. What democracy that appropriate to implement in the 2029 election. Then I will tell you about the discussion. 1. How to carry out simultaneous elections that are overflowing and fair. To discuss these issues, we will try to collect the following data. Many legislative member doesn't care with the citizen and many legislative member with corruption. 2. Candidate of legislative member chosen by the leader of political parties. So the prioritizing the leader of political parties. 3. To carry out simultaneous election with overflowing and fair, the candidate of legislative member must be selected first in order. The member of legislative that chosen are qualified and knowledgeable, so the Indonesian state can be more developed. Then I will tell you. And second is what democracy is appropriate to implement in the 2029 election. The appropriate democracy to implement in the 2029 election is the Pancasila democracy because it stems on the 4th principle. So that decisions are taken from the will of the people through the wisdom of deliberation with common sense and conscience. Then I will tell you about the conclusion. First point, carrying out simultaneous election in overflowing and fair, the member of legislative must be selected first in order. The member of legislative that chosen are qualified and knowledgeable, so the nation state can be more developed. Second point, democracy that appropriate for the 2029 election is Pancasila democracy because it stems from 4th principle, so that decisions are taken from the will of the people. Then I will tell you about the suggestion. Based on the results of this research, researchers try to provide suggestion for the government. First, create an elderly-friendly election implementation law. Second, consider returning to Pancasila democracy by limiting the office of the president. Third, present the implementation of democracy that avoids division between nations. Fourth, return the country to having an outline of state policy for sustainable development. And this is the bibliography. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Can you explain with your own language, simple language, about Pancasila democracy?
Pancasila democracy is democracy that gives a freedom for the citizen to choose the president, vice president, and member of legislative.
Good answer. One question from your
What is the advantage and disadvantage from the simultaneous election?
The advantage of the simultaneous election is the election carried out in 1 day, so it can save time and save energy. And the disadvantage of the simultaneous election is some KPPS officers or drain their energy for the salaries that not match with their sacrifice.
Good performance, Michelle. Give applause to Michelle.